Welcome again to our channel. This is Gothic Farm Limited. This is our newly hatched ducklings, and this is our mini brooding house for them. We keep them here for a day or two before we transfer them to our farm. You see how healthy they are. They are composed of khaki Campbell, Perkins, and McCovies. In case you are in need of any of the old duckling, 1 week, 2 weeks old, we can supply you. In subsequent videos, we are going to show you our process of hatching and how successful we are. Keep tuned until we come again on this channel. Thank you.